Hey ups, dear viewer, it's Finurkling time. You've seen the furniture, you've seen the walking sticks, now I'm going to get a mixture of walking sticks and furniture. Never chuck away offcuts, you might never know when you might use them. So in this case I needed a handle for a walking stick. Ta-da! So using the jigsaw and a bit of patience we produced that shape there with a rounded end in which the walking stick will fit over when it's oh, give me a chance. There we go. Ta-da! It fits. Just needs rounding off. I'll not bore you with all the details. I'll just do it and show you in a little while. That piece of furniture these came out of, though, it's something I produced before, that modular stuff. I'll show you that in a second. So, we've gone from that chunk of wood there to that piece of wood there. Sanded, fretted and more sanding, and it's just short of a bit of dye and varnish, and then we'll fit it to the walking stick. So there we have the finished timber handle, sanded and varnished again, fixed into the shaft, and is all is good to go. The handle itself is a very tactile feeling and fits my hand quite well. And the whole thing weighs about 600 grams, so even though it's a stainless tube shaft, it's still reasonably light and easy to handle. Here's another walking stick design, this time using Alli knob on the top there with a bit of a handle. Insulated as well, because in the cold weather it's damn cold, is this aluminium. So there you go, that's another one. That weighs about 700 grams because of the extra handle. This is similar, but without the insulation. Similar design, easy to make, and that also weighs just a little bit more. Finally, a bit of a special. Can you see that there? That's an aluminium piece there, machined up with some grooves in it. It's great for grip and easy to carry.